Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all well. I am here today to do another unboxing of the Bargain Bead box for January 2024. Sorry, I had to think about that in my head. Yeah, January 2024. So I'm in the UK, so I get mine a bit later than the Americans receive it, because it's an American company, so of course they get theirs first. And mine came quicker this month. The last couple of months they've not been coming till right at the end of the month, like the 28th, 29th of the month. But this one I actually received a couple of days ago, so on the 15th of February. So I'm really happy with that. Better than waiting till the end of the month, because it's really hard not to watch everyone's videos. Because then I lose my inspiration, because I'm like, oh, did I see someone else do that, or did I think that up in my head, you know? So let's have a look what we've got here. So it's called the Budding Romance Collection this month. Oh, so I'm expecting some red. I can see some red there. And we have 18 items at an approximate total retail value of £83.83. Okay, and I will flip it all out and just go through it a bit at a time. Oh, look at those. Oh, I love them already. Oh God, that's so beautiful. That's a beautiful colour. 8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz. Oh, 15 inches, $7.99. That's US dollars I'm talking, ladies and gents. Oh, I love it. See, these blue beads come in the door, and then I have to make something for myself every single time. If you could see my jewellery box, it's just blue, but I love it. I love those. That's going in my hoard. Any more blue? No. The 4mm crystal faceted round beads, 20 inches. Doesn't say what colour that is, but it's like a light green. Very pretty. Nightmare to thread, but that'll go in my stash as well. Probably sit there forever. And some more. They were pretty. Now that'd be handy, because I've actually got a little project on the go, or I'm getting together at the moment, so that may well go with it. Garnet. I love garnet. And garnet is actually the birthstone for, I think it's January or February, so yeah. So that's 3 to 3.5mm garnet micro-faceted, micro-faceted round beads, 15 inches, $7.99 value. Wow. Oh, sorry, shall I get them out so you can see the sparkle? Come on. Oh, they are really sparkly. Super sparkly. How tiny are they? I mean, I can just about cope with a 4mm, but anything smaller. But again, that will go in my project. These are pretty as well. And these are 8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz round beads, 7.5 inches for just 1 cent under $4. And they are beautiful. I love jade. Very pretty. Very pretty. Hope I'm in camera this time, ladies. I'm hoping I'm improving with my angles and keeping in camera. Rose quartz. I love a rose quartz too. Tumbled nugget bead, 16 inches for $7 or $6.99. I like the shape of those. Very pretty. That's a long strand. I really like those. Very pretty. I've got loads of rose quartz. Absolute tons of it. Beautiful. Love those. These are really nice as well. Malaysian, see, jade again. 10mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz faceted round beads, 7 inches for $7.99. Oh, beautiful. Don't know if you can see the facet on those, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Love those. Love, love. And then we've got some more 6x4 Malaysian jade dyed quartz faceted rondelle beads, 14 inches for $9. Very pretty. I love those as well. I really like those. Very nice. Pretty colour. See that? Sparkly. We love a sparkle, don't we? So that's them. And then, oh, that's funny because I've got these in my little project to do as well. But I think I've got the bigger version. 6x4mm crystal faceted rondelle beads, 16 inches for $5. I love this colour. Lilac, or lilac, as some people say. Love it. And now we've got all the metal. Now we've got a pendant here. That's pretty. This is a 32mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz and brass faceted teardrop pendant for $7. That is beautiful. Oh, I love that. Really nice. Very pretty. I need some red in my collection. I don't have a lot of red. What have I done with my bag? There it is. I love that. Bit late for bit late for Valentine's Day for me, but I can still use all. Oh, they're pretty. Look at that. Little rose petal, single rose pendants. They're pretty. I like those. 2 pieces of 28 by 10mm enamelled metal rose charms in pink for $3. They are really pretty. See them? Oh, playing dropsy today. What's that? That looks like a clasp. 22 by 15mm 18 carat gold plated brass floral toggle, $2.99. That's pretty. Oh, look at that. I like that. See that? It's got a little rose on it, or flower of some kind. Maybe not a rose. And on the end of the toggle. Look at that. I like that. That's lovely. Hope you can see that okay and it's not blurry. That's beautiful. Getting back into my gold. I'm usually a silver person, but you have to go with the gold when you get it, don't you? I think we've had these before in silver. 7x4mm flower spacer beads, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, 20 pieces for $2.99. They got some weight to them, actually. Very nice. Yep, definitely got those in silver, so it's nice to have them in a different colour. That's those. That's pretty. 25 by 20mm 18 carat gold plated brass filigree flower chandelier pendant, $5. 5 of your American dollars. That is lovely. I like that. Isn't that pretty? 2, 4, 6. 6 bale chandelier. I like that. That's really pretty. Likey, likey. Hang on, I'm getting stuff mixed. I haven't done them yet. I haven't done them. Oh, yes, I have done that. I've done them. All right. What have we got next? Chain. 2.5 by 2mm, 18 carat gold plated stainless steel jewellery chain, 1 metre for $5. Can never have too much chain. What are these? Bead caps. 6.5mm scallop bead cap, 10 grams. Oh, they're cute. I like little bead caps. They're really pretty. See those? Very nice. Oh, these look pretty as well. 2 pieces of 13 by 4mm, 18 carat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia. Drops, $5.99. These look lovely. Look at those. I love those. They would make a lovely little dainty necklace. Bit of Coriana chain. Bit of Wendy chain on that. Wouldn't they look beautiful? I love those. Or even as a pair of earrings. But, oh, I love it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. A lovely box this month. Well done, Bargain Bee box. Not that I've never had a bad box, to be honest with you. Did have a lot of green the end tail end of last year. Not my favourite colour, but still beautiful beads. And I love the colour of these too. Leaf pendants, look. 2 pieces of 31 by 18mm enamelled metal branch charms in teal, $3. Love the colour of those. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, earrings or a necklace. And last but not least, we've got a 35 by 14mm, 18 carat gold plated brass filigree chandelier components. 2 pieces, $4. Oh, they're pretty. Look at those. Now those, they're quite thin. I would probably bend those. Pretty, pretty. So that's it for this month. I will be back, of course, with a project for these probably next week, because I've got something else I want to do today. So I will be back. So that's it. So if you're interested in subscribing to Bargain Bee Box, if you just do a Google search, make sure you put Bargain Bee Box, and then every month you get a 30% voucher for their shop. And the website for their shop is Bead Box Bargain. So there's a subtle difference in the names. So to subscribe to the monthly box, it's Bargain Bee Box, and then the normal shop is Bead Box Bargains. But as I said, if you subscribe, you get a 30% off coupon every month for their shop. So yeah, definitely a great box each month. So that's it. I will see you very soon with a necklace. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.